Sana Andre is a lechon?
It's a lechon. Up.
No, it's dirty. Nice haircut. How about your hair? No haircut. Nice haircut. No, you give it to your teacher. Bye-bye.
He's a teacher.
Sana Andre is a lechon?
It's a lechon. Up.
No, it's dirty. Nitro is a lechon. Nitro is he's not a lechon, he is
A chicken wing.
chicken wing. Lechon manok.
Wait, Papa and Mama. No, here's no. Main car is
Where's your daddy?
no. Main car is here. Main car.
Oh, Andre is being called.
Where's your hat?
I didn't bring my hat.
And what did you bring?
Nothing. Just my clothes. Just my clothes, of course.
Bring.
I'll give you a few minutes. You can play, but not to run too much.
What should we play?
Come, I'll keep this and then we will go because it's about to rain.
Butterfly, Uncle Nano.
Butterfly? No. Seth, why are your pants on your waistline? Above your waistline? You look like Bitoy. That's too high.
You because you're a lechon. Yum. You're a pig, so I will eat the lechon because you got.
There should be apple on his mouth.
I got apple.
And it's Nitro's turn. He's a lechon manok. He needs to roll around. He needs to be rolled over. Ha? Ano daw? What? Okay, papakadto ka mo. You go. Your teacher's calling you. Yeah, go there. Uy. Hino ning babantayan? Oo, ang kuan. Di ba? Hey, Jasmine? Hey, Jasmine. Di rin niya roll.